Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the basics because a stable feed prevents most shutdowns. First, confirm the monitor's power cord and outlet are solid. Replace the cable if it wiggles. Next, make sure the display cable is fully seated, and once done, try a different port or known good cable to rule out a physical fault. Then open your operating system power plan and set the display timeout to never or a long interval so the system itself won't put the screen to sleep. Once the basics are done, move into system and driver settings to stop automatic shutdowns. You should open power options in Windows or Energy Saver on Mac OS and confirm both sleep and display timeouts. Make sure screensaver is set to none. Update your GPU and display drivers and install the monitor maker's utility to manage firmware and features. Also inspect the monitor's own OSD for eco or auto-off modes. And you finish by validating the changes and isolating remaining causes. Run a long duration test and watch for scheduled updates or maintenance tasks that wake and then sleep the display. Disable USB selective suspend, wake timers, and any third-party power managers that conflict with system settings, and make sure screensavers are off. If the monitor still turns off, swap ports or cables and test with another PC to determine whether the issue is the monitor, GPU, or OS. If all else fails, factory reset the monitor or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.